differentiate. Yes. For velocity to go to acceleration, I again differentiate. But to go backwards, I have to integrate. Okay. Then I also said something about the difference between distance and
displacement.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now, supposing this is a starting point A. I want everyone to look at the board and stop. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, if I move here, let's say 5 meters, the displacement is actually 5 meters, right? This side is a plus. Right. So, if let's say I move here 10 meters, the particle is here, let's say. The distance is actually negative 10 meters, right, for displacement itself. Correct? That means displacement is with respect to a reference point. Okay? But distance is different. For example, if a particle starts from A, travel here, then go here, and stop here. The displacement from A is negative 10 meters, right? What about the distance traveled by the particle?
15.
It is 15. Can you see what I'm talking about? So this is the displacement. Yes. Yeah. Any displacement?
Wait, Michelle, distance is 10 meters of 20.
Distance is 20.
Yeah.
Can you see it's 20? My mistake here. 5, 5, and then 10. Can you all see? My mistake. Can you all see or not?
Yes.
So this is what? 20 meters. They have traveled 20 meters. Okay? Okay? Okay, so the problem is that in this kind of kinematic questions, right, sometimes they ask for displacement, sometimes they ask for distance. Yes. Okay, and also there must be a reference point about where you start. Sometimes it doesn't start from there. The time doesn't start from the 0 point. It starts from somewhere else. So we have to be careful. Is that clear? I will show you the examples. Don't worry. Okay? Alright, now. First, can we look at page 501, all of you? The displacement of the particle is defined as the change in position of the particle with respect to a fixed point at a particular instant. It consists of both magnitude and direction. So, displacement can be positive, 0 or negative. Distance can only be positive. Is that clear? Okay, alright, now, next page. Now, in general, if S is the displacement of a moving particle P from a point, fixed point O at time t, S is bigger than 0 when it's at the positive side, 0 when it's at the fixed point itself, and negative is over the other side. Am I right to say that? Okay, I just explained to you on the board. Okay, page 502 if you do not know. Now, what is velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement and is represented by ds dt, where s is the displacement of a moving particle at time t. The velocity is represented by the gradient of a displacement time graph. This one I told you yesterday. In fact, we have learned it in physics. Okay. Now, velocity can be negative. It consists of both magnitude and direction. Its magnitude is the speed of a moving particle, and its sign plus or minus denotes the direction the particle is traveling from a fixed point. Okay? Now, usually when it goes like that, right, velocity is positive. If it goes backwards, the velocity will be negative. Okay? I think physics you've done that as well, right? Yes. Okay, good. Now, next page. Page 503. Based on the sign of the velocity at time t, you can find the direction of the motion of a particle. Figure 20.3 shows the motion diagram of a car that is modeled by the equation s equals to 4t minus t squared at different times for t between 0 and 5. Okay, now let me just tell you the last part first before I go on to the diagram. When velocity is bigger than 0, the particle moves in the direction of the positive s-axis. I mean, you know what I mean, right? Okay. Yes. When velocity is 0, the particle is instantaneously at rest. That means the particle is not moving for the particular moment. Yeah. Okay. When velocity is less than 0, the particle moves in the direction of the negative s-axis. Okay. So now in general, we will use S to represent displacement, V to represent what? Velocity, and A to represent acceleration. So it's I will use these three letters to represent all this. Okay. Now, is it okay if I go through all the examples down there? Because there is until example 6. Okay. Then hopefully the next lesson I will see you again in the afternoon. I will do all the questions for you, so that you don't have to do homework. Will that be okay? I think you should be starting on the revision already. So, you got 2 maths. So sorry. So sad, right? You are missing a lesson.
No.
Anybody got any more tournament? No more tournament. Oh, the tournament finished already. You're out already. No, I'm asking a genuine question. You're out already.
Yeah.
Badminton also out already. Volleyball out already. Huh?
Haven't started.
Volleyball also out already. I'm not saying that out is good. I'm just glad that you can stand down. Now, class, listen, there's a season for everything like what I've said. Once your CCA stand down, right, you really stand down. Don't go and stand up again by yourself. Do you understand? Okay, I teach you this, I teach you that. After that, your corner step down, right? Why? Where's Manizo? This Friday, so after this Friday, corner. Tell you.
Step down.
Yes. Okay. No, I think Sec 4 students, you must know there's a season for everything. Okay. For the first 3 years and plus these 3 months, you have done your best already. So now is to do your best for your studies. Am I right? I'm not saying that CCA is not important, but you have given your best. I believe it. I believe all of you have given your best. Because you know why? This class is full of CCA leaders and CCA people. Of course, everybody is CCA people. Okay, volleyball, first tournament start die 7 all gone. Okay, badminton 2 gone. Okay, after that choir hampelang gone. Okay, then kuchen also hampelang gone already. Okay, can you imagine if the day got volleyball tournament, boys and girls, got badminton tournament, got choir, got kuchen, got Chinese dance. I don't teach already. I just teach myself. Oh, you know this one velocity, all that kind of thing. I will run with negative velocity. I got to run backwards because cannot move on. Okay? Can watch the video and watch me teach the fans and the lights. I said, do you understand? Yes. Well, if they answer, you better watch out. Yes, right, okay. Okay, now, can you look at page 503, the diagram, figure 20.3 by yourself? Is it okay? Is it okay? Then, okay. Now, I'm going to start straight away with the examples, okay? Now, it's always good to draw a diagram. Okay, I'm going to go quite slow here because this one you need to understand, okay? Answering already, Alright. Now, a particle cube. Let's start from the easy questions. All of you look up. Look at the question. A particle cube moves in a straight line so that its distance S meters from a fixed point O. That means there's a fixed point O, right? Right. The distance will go this way, right? And S is what? 6t squared minus t cubed for t between what? 0 and 6. When t is a time in seconds after passing O. Listen carefully. They say t is the time in seconds after passing O. That means at O itself, t is 0. Then you move on, t1, t2 on the way. The time will pass on. Understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes the question is like that. This is O. Okay. They have another point, let's say A over here. Alright. The time that they give you is not starting from O. It's starting from A. So there's a difference. That means there's already a displacement from O already. So you got to be careful where it starts. The time and the starting point might not be the same. You understand? This is something that you take note. Okay, students always forget this. Right? Don't worry, we'll do the examples. So this one is very good. I like this kind of start at the same time, everything at the same time. Okay, let's take a look. Find the speed of Q after 3 seconds. Okay. Now what does S represent? The speed.
Meter. S meter.
Are you sure? S stands for what? Displacement. Okay. So when I have S equals to 6t squared minus t cubed, what is ds dt?
12t.
It's actually v, right? Do you agree that the S and T is actually V? Maybe I write the other way, it will be better. Velocity is you differentiate displacement, right? With respect to T, right? So this one will be 12T minus 3T squared, right? So this is the function for velocity. What the first part say?
And check 3 seconds.
Find the velocity when after 3 seconds, right? So when T is 3,
What? V is what?
V will be 12, 3 minus, like that, right?
36 minus
Okay, so 36 minus 27, answer 9 meter per second. Alright, yes
Yes.
or no plus? So it's 9 meter per second. Okay? Must look carefully, it's meters and then seconds. Right? Next, the distance of Q from O when the particle is instantaneously at rest again. Now, when it is instantaneously at rest,
Zero.
V is equals to 0. The speed is equal to 0. Okay. Part 2. When V is 0, I will have 12T minus 3T squared equals to 0. Agree? I can divide 12 by 3 first, right? Okay, so I'll get what? 4T minus T squared equals to 0. Take out T, what do I have? 4 minus T equals to 0.
T equals to 0.
So T equals to 0 or T equals to 4, right? Now, T is equals to 0, we have to reject because it's the first instance. Haven't even started yet. Of course, T is 0, right? So when is the next instant that is at rest? When T is what? 4. So the question asks, the distance of Q from O when the particle is instantaneously at rest again. So when T is 4, what is S? 6, 4 squared minus 4 cube, right? Okay. Correct. So what's the answer?
Minus
32, right? So it's 32 meters. Agree, class? Just use your calculator, you can do it already. Everybody clear about this first part?
Yes.
Okay, good. The last question, this is important. The total distance travelled during the first 5 seconds. Yeah. It doesn't matter. Because right meter, for this one we are not that particular. Straight away velocity you can write meter per second, I think you're correct. Okay? Or if you're particular, right, like I'm particular no actually, but after I teacher not particular, so I become a particular. Usually I will write V as 9. Then I'll write velocity equals to 9 meter per second. I think that's more proper. Okay, but if you like that straight away, it's okay. It doesn't matter to me. Do you understand what I'm talking about?
No.
You don't understand? So okay. Okay. Usually when I say V is 9, right, I'll just leave it as 9. Then after that I'll write velocity equals to 9 meters per second. Actually this one got no units wrong. It's just a number. Because they already tell you Okay, S, then after that, S is just an expression, after that is in meters. S meters. Can you all see? Okay, but if you just include it like that, it's fine. It doesn't matter. I don't want to confuse you all. Will that be okay? Alright, now next. Now, the next part is the important part. Let me look at the diagram. This is when T is 0, the guy is here, right? When will it stop?
4.
At 4, right? That means L, like that, right?
Yes.
4, then 0, then it will turn back, right?
Yes.
Cannot stop and then stay there, It's still traveling, so it will turn back, right? So this is when T is 4, right? Now, do you agree that this one is already 32 meters? Correct. How about when T is 5? When I sub in 5, what does it give me? Can you tell me? When T is 5, that means what? It's the displacement from 4, right?
Yes.
Agree? Okay, look up, this is important. When T is 5, S will be 6, 5 squared minus 5 cube, right? Can you tell me how much is this? All of you use your calculator.
130 minus 125.
I don't want this, I want the final answer.
5.
5 use calculator don't stare at me Come. 25, right? Do you agree this is 25 meters? Okay, this is what I'm going to draw. I'm going to go there. I'm in here. Look up. When t is 0 is here. If you go this way, then down. This is t equals to 4. This is t equals to 5, right? Everybody okay? Now, do you agree that from here to here is 32 meters? Then from here to here is 25 meters. Is displacement from O. Correct. I told you displacement and distance got difference. Remember? Displacement means what? The distance away from the reference point. Okay? When t is 5, it's 25 meters from O. Okay, now. Where is the distance traveled? This one plus this part, right?
Yeah.
Agree? So it's 32 plus what?
Plus 32 minus 25.
32 minus 25, right? I need this part only, right?
Plus 7.
Plus 32 minus 25 plus 7 also can. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So what's 32 plus 7?
9.
So it's 39 meters. Now, let me change the question for you. If the question say the distance traveled is 39, what if I say what's the displacement of the particle at t equals to 5?
64 minus
25. Agree? Displacement from O. So can you see the difference in the question here?
Yeah.
Okay, you must know what I'm talking about. Do you follow? Can or cannot? Can. Now, let me ask you, what if at t equals to 5, right? Let me give you another scenario. I've drawn here, okay? Let's say this particle travel very fast on t. For then 5, it goes to the other side. And this one is negative, let's say 5 meters. This one is 32, right? This one is 5, right? What's the total distance traveled? 32 plus 32 plus 5. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's the total distance traveled. But what is the displacement?
Minus 5.
Negative 5. That means it's in the other direction. Everybody clear? So you got to be very clear what is displacement, what is distance. Everybody okay?
Yeah.
So that's your example 1. Alright? Next, example 2. Let's look at example 2. Now, this is going to get more and more difficult, okay? Because now we differentiate, right? Later gonna differentiate already, yeah? Example 2 now. Okay, let's look at example 2. I know you're tired now. Let's carry on. A particle P moves in a straight line so that its displacement S from a fixed point O is given by this thing here. So I will always draw. This is O, it goes this way. S equals to what? 3t squared minus 12. Okay, when t is the second, look at the question again. A particle P moves in a straight line so that its displacement S meters from a fixed point O on the line is given by this. Where t seconds is the time after passing a point A on the line. I want to know, did t equals to 0 starts from O? No, right? That means I have a line. This is A, right? Somewhere along it is A, right? T equals to 0 starts from here. But S is here. Do you agree? Do you understand what I'm talking about? S starts from here. The displacement starts from O. Okay, then let's take a look at the question. What did they say?
Initial displacement.
Alright, find the initial displacement of P. Now, I will tell you. Initial displacement of P. That means when T is what? 0, right? Do you agree when T is 0? So, when T is 0, what will happen? S equals to what? Negative 12, right? Is it negative 12? Is it negative 12? Yes. Now, do you agree that I have drawn my A at the wrong direction? Can you see that I have drawn my A at the wrong direction? Where should it be? It should be over on the left side. Yes. Okay, so sometimes after we draw, we got to make amendments. So this is my O. This is my A when T equals to 0, and this is negative 12 meters. Everybody okay? And the distance is from here. The S is what? 3t squared minus 12, right? Everybody clear? Yes or no? So I repeat. Distance starts from O, time starts from what? A. Can you see the difference here? It does start at the same point. Okay, so if the teacher is true, that's it. Alright, let's take a look at the question now. 1. Find the initial displacement of P is negative 12 meters. So when T is equal to S equals to negative 12 meters. So no problem, right? This one everybody okay? Alright, part 2. Find the velocity of P when it passes O. Find the velocity of P when it passes O. Now, when it passes O, what do you think is the displacement? 0, right? Because this one starts from here. This one starts from here. So, this is part 1. Part 2. When S is 0, what will happen? 3t squared minus 12 equals to 0. 3t squared equals to t squared equals to 4, right? T will be what? Plus minus 2, right? Negative 2 rejected, right? Why? Because t cannot be negative. T is time. So t is equals to 2. Agree or not? Agree or not? When t equals to 2, you pass through O. But is this what they want? What did they say? They want what? The velocity. Okay. So S is 3t squared minus 12.
Yes.
V is ds dt. So 6t, right?
60.
Okay. So when t is what? 2,
12.
V will be 6 into 2, answer 12 meters per second. Is everybody clear on this part? Can or cannot? This is the example that I'm worried about because the starting not the same. Okay? Alright, next part 3. Show that P never comes to rest after passing A. Never come to rest after passing A. What does it mean? That means V will never be 0. Agree or not? V will never be equals to 0. Okay, now look at V. V is 6 times T, right? Do you agree that T is always bigger than 0? Time always bigger than 0? Or equal to 0 lah. But after passing through A, that means 0 is gone. After passing through A. So T will always be bigger than 0, right?
Yeah.
So do you agree that if T is bigger than 0, 6T will always be bigger than 0? That means what? V is always bigger than 0, right? And V will not be equals to 0. So if V is not equals to 0, it will not come to rest. Agree? Okay? It's just like when we prove that it's an increasing function, we must show that dy dx is always bigger than 0. Alright, then there will not be a stationary point, remember? Remember, dy dx equals to 0 when there's a stationary point, right? So this one cannot be 0. So therefore, it will never come to rest. Is that clear? Okay, look at the question, look at the answer at the book now. After passing A, T is bigger than 0, so V equals to 6T is bigger than 0. Hence, P never comes to rest after passing A. Everybody okay? Alright, huh? Okay, now, part 4. Find the average speed of P during the first 3 seconds. In order to find average speed, what must you do? Total distance divided by total time. Okay. Time you know is 3 seconds. What is total distance?
T equals to 3 of
When T is 3, what will happen?
S.
S equals to 3. 3 squared minus 12. So this is 27 minus 12, right? Answer? 15, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
correct, 15. Okay, now, when did the particles start to move? From point A, right? So it must be
15 plus 12.
until 15 here, right? So what's the distance? 27, right? The distance is 27. What's the time taken? 3. Everybody okay? 3. So average speed will be 27 divided by 3, right?
9.
Answer 9 meters per second. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? So I think this is about the only example we can give whereby the starting and the timing is not the same. So you must know what it is. Everybody okay? Okay, huh? Alright. example 2. Now, next we go on to acceleration. Can you look at acceleration? Page 505. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity and is represented by dv dt a or d2s dt square, right? Because you differentiate displacement 2 times again. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Now, where s and v are respectively the displacement and velocity of a moving particle at time t. Acceleration is measured by the gradient of a velocity time graph. Like displacement and velocity, acceleration has both magnitude and direction. Now, let me just ask you. If acceleration is 3 meters per second square, that means the thing is moving faster, right? What if acceleration is negative 3?
Slower.
That means it's a deceleration. Am I right? Say that. Now, when acceleration is negative 3, when you use the word deceleration, you must be 3. You cannot put negative. Okay, what's another word for deceleration?
Retardation.
Yes, retardation. Not retarded. Retardation. Understand? Okay? Alright. Everybody okay so far? Okay, Now, look at page 506. 506. In general, you have the following results. When A is bigger than 0, the particle speeds up or accelerates. When A is equals to 0, the particle moves at a constant speed. Agree or not? Okay? And when A is less than 0, the particle slows down or decelerates. Everybody okay? Okay, Okay. Now, example 3, I don't know whether your textbook says this or not, because I think there's a mistake in the textbook. I read to you. A particle P travels in a straight line such that t seconds after passing a fixed point O, its displacement s meters is given by s equals to 15t plus 6t squared minus t cubed.
Yeah.
Alright, T3. T cube. T3 is only T cube. Fine. Now, part 1. I want to see what your textbook read. The average. Did they say the average velocity?
Yeah.
No, there's no such thing as average velocity. It's average speed. You understand what I'm talking about? How you take an average velocity? When there's displacement and, there's direction and everything. You get what I'm saying? So far, I do not think that I will change it to speed. Average speed, okay, of P in the first 2 seconds. Okay, the value of T when acceleration of P is instantaneously 0. Okay, can you change the first one to average speed for me? Now I know you're all sleeping. I don't know why.
CC very boring.
International Friendship Day also boring. You want to go there and skip around the red square.
Here, listen to talk.
Awake now,
Better not is that.
Better for Lisa talk. Who what?
Slide.
Slide, then you look at the slide now. But your step, right? Your step throughout the slide, right? So there's no friendship day, what is sleeping day, right? Ready? Aiyo. At least my 104 still stayed awake. You know, if I teach this one CC, I think you all buy it. No, I did a quiz with them. I think you all did it before, right, when you're in set 1. What, the quiz about ASEAN. ASEAN countries. What, Myanmar lah, don't know what lah.
Yeah, that's very easy.
No lah, they say speak to groups. I think a lot of my class was stupid lah. You just stay in force and after that you just answer the question, that's it. You need to play games lah. I don't like. You know, set 1 when they play games, they run all over the place. It's like diffusion. You know what's diffusion? For a more concentrated area, move to a less concentrated area.
Oh, it's
Osmosis is water particles.
Yes.
I think I failed, is it? My bio no good because I refuse to memorize.
But then after
I
so many
hate
years,
memorizing. I don't care, I don't want. And then last time we must learn what amphibian, you know, that kind of thing, vertebrates. You know, you draw one bird, then what backbone, don't know what. The amphibian, I draw a frog, right? No, I already labelled very nicely. You know, the front leg, you know, a foreleg, I think my frog very nice. The teacher still not nice. I'm very angry with frog. That one I don't take by you. Why you say my frog not nice? I don't like. I also never take geography. You know geography? No, right, you all study Singapore, right? Last time we study about Africa lah.
Africa.
Africa is something like that or something. I don't know lah, something like that.
So that one is
Yeah, it's something like that. Africa is something like that. You must memorize lah. Then after that, you must what? Densely populated, you know that kind of thing.
Yes.
yeah.
Then you must go and
Democratic
shake.
Republic of Congo.
Then after that, what? They cut a lot of cattle, then where's the cattle? I think I circle very correctly. Then they tell me my map out of shape. I'm very curious. I don't want to take geography. So that's why I never take geography.
Math also need memorize what?
That's only memorize one. Just practice the formula and come to it. I never memorize for myself. I just work, then I work out the formula, I will stop here. I forgot memorize what? So many things already. Your brain is so cluttered. Memorize what? Okay, that's why I do maths. In JC, right, I do all of these for maths. I can't be bothered. I told you all with the
Physics.
Maths C, further Maths C, physics, economics, all maths.
Economics is maths.
Economics is something like that. It's got graph, got shutdown point, but got some essay to write, some stupid essay. Just chin cai right, can do. Can pass, don't worry. If I can pass, you can pass. Because my English is like shit like that. Okay. And one essay is 4 pages. And for the exam, right, 3 hours. 3 hours is 4 essays. 3 hours, you must answer 4 questions.
Half 4 essay, 1 essay 4 pages lah. Means got 60 pages lah.
Then the invigilator very cute. Only
Then
give us
must sit there
2
3
papers
hours.
and you know 2 sheets of foolscap paper. You know we all very zai one. We are not scared because we A level, what kind of exam we never see before. Then someone we sitting at the back. You know, I don't know why my register number is YAP at the back. Always at the back. And hall at the back. Then after that, the invigilator give us 2 pieces of foolscap paper. I look at him. Allow me how to write. 4 questions must have 16 right. Like that later you got to walk until die. So many of us right. The whole hall. I said, excuse me, you know that one question need 4 foolscap. You're giving me 2. There are 4 questions. Do you know how many you must give me? They said, oh, 16. Yeah, you better give us some more. If not, you're going to walk until you die. That's what I told him. Then after that, I smile, because invigilator. Then my friend lucky best. You know, in the hall last time, no aircon. The sun shine, not the top, but some glass, that kind of thing. The sun shine. Walao eh, this big fella was very sad. No, he faced his head. Cher, the sun shine at me. I said, we all at the back, I want to step his head. How can the teacher do? The sun shine lah. After that, we okay already mah. Siao at this fella. Cannot take it. They are very mad one. Are you all awake already? But some people still sleeping, look at Darren. You can hold it.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, that one. I don't care that one, this one. Come, next, this one, come. A particle P travels in a straight line such that t seconds after passing a fixed point O, the displacement S is given by this. What's this? S equals to 15t plus 6t squared minus t cubed. Okay? Find the average speed, change it to speed please, of P in the first 2 seconds. Okay. When t is 2, what will happen? S will be 15 times 2 plus 6, 2 squared minus. Right, can you tell me what's the displacement? What's that? 40? 46, right? Okay. Time taken is 2 seconds, correct? So average speed. Answer? 23 meters per second. Okay, class? Can, Now, next. The value of t when the acceleration of p is instantaneously 0. When acceleration is 0, what is what? The value of t. Okay, I'll look up here. S is 15t plus 6t squared minus t cubed. What is v? 15 plus 12t minus square. What is A? 12 minus 6t. Everybody okay? They say the acceleration is 0. So when A is 0, 12 minus 6t equals to 0. So 6t equals to 12. T is what? 2. So the acceleration is 0 when t is 2. Everybody okay? Can?
Yes.
Can, Okay, good. Now, next. This one already said. Velocity is ds dt, acceleration is dv dt. Next page. Conversely, displacement is when you integrate velocity, right? And velocity is when you integrate acceleration. So we must go the other way already. Okay, example 4 now. Actually, if you do right, you'll realize that kinematics is actually easier than the rest. You know why I say easier than the rest? The formula always linear one, very easy one. Not linear, I mean algebraic one.
We are not cosine, tangent.
Sometimes we do cosine, depending on the teacher.
Just when you got
If the teacher is me, I
it
can do
doesn't
cosine.
and you
Yeah. Cannot see I represent cosine. Actually, I represent dv dt equal to 0. Okay, so all horizontal lines. Okay, come. Let's do example 4.
So lame.
The particle P, okay, you know, so of its point O, travels in a straight line. The velocity v meters per second of the particle t seconds after leaving O. This one is good. It's after leaving O, right? Okay, what is v?
4 minus t
4 minus t
squared.
squared. Find the acceleration of p after 4 seconds. This one I like because it's very straightforward. Part 1. Now, let's take a look. I know you're tired. V is 4 minus t squared, right?
Yes.
What is A?
Minus 2t.
Negative 2t, right?
Really, man? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Differentiate, right? So what did the question say again? After what? 4 seconds. So, when t is 4, A
Minus
will be
8.
negative 2 times 4, so negative 8 meter per second squared. Okay? Alright. So this one is no problem, huh? Alright, correct.
Yeah.
8 meter per second squared. The displacement of P from O when P is instantaneously at rest.
Integrate.
Almost. When V is 0, right? Instantaneous rest means V is 0. Agree? I will have what? 4 minus t squared equals to 0. T squared equals to 4. T is plus minus 2. T will be equals to 2. Negative 2 rejected. I find the T first. T is 2, right? What did they ask for?
Yes.
The displacement when it is at rest, right?
So
Okay,
integrate.
so V is 4 minus t squared. So how to get S?
Integrate.
Integrate 4 minus t squared d what?
T.
Okay. So what is this?
4t
4t
minus
t
t cubed over 3.
over t over 3 plus c, right?
Yes.
Indefinite. Plus c, yeah. Plus sign by c, right? Now, do you agree this is very good? When it starts from O, the time also starts from O.
yes.
Right. So when t is 0, S is 0, right?
No, S equals C.
No, what I'm saying is that for this particular question, time starts from the point.
Oh, yeah,
So when t is 0, S is 0, correct? Aim is to find C first. Okay? So, do you agree that when S is 0, T is 0, right? So you sub in now, C is also 0 lah. Can you see? You cannot assume what you must sub in for me to see, understand? So what's the S there? Correct? Because C is 0, right? So they say what? When what?
equals to
T equals to what? When T equals to 2, right? So when T is 2, S will be 4 times 2 minus
8 over 3.
2 cubed over 3, right? So 8 minus 8 over 3. Answer?
8.
What's 8 minus 8 over 3?
24 minus 8. 14. 14 over 3. Is it?
You wait, I also wait.
Oh, 16. 16 over 3.
16 over 3, is it correct?
5 1/3.
So 16 over 3 meter or 5 1/3 meter. Everybody clear? Everybody clear here? Okay, huh? Alright, good. Can I move on to example 5? You know you're going to die already. After I finish example 5, next lesson I'll do example 6. Okay? Bear with me, you must understand, okay? You cannot understand what.
20.1. No.
Wake up, Darren. after leaving the fixed point O, its velocity v is given by 200 e minus 2t.
Wow, that one a lot eh.
Now you see the bonus, right? But this question is time. T seconds after leaving O. So when t is 0, s is 0. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Okay, alright, next. Find its initial acceleration. V is 200 e minus 2t. What is A? How to differentiate this guy? 200 e minus 2t times negative 2, right?
Why?
We must times the differential one.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what?
Negative
400 e minus 2t, right? So initial is when t equals to what?
0.
0, right? Acceleration will be what? When it's 0, what is this?
1.
1, negative 400 meter per second square. So
Wow, this is so fast.
this will be the acceleration, negative 400 meter per second square. Okay. Calculate to 2 decimal place its displacement from O when t equals to 3. Now must integrate. This question very good. Must differentiate, must integrate. Okay. I like this kind of question. Okay. V is 200 e minus 2t. How to get s? Integrate this one, right?
Take out 200.
Take out. Right, integrate this. What do you have?
E minus 2t plus 1. You integrate is still the same, but you must divide by the differential, agree? You don't know how to integrate or not now? Okay.
Okay. How to integrate this? You remain first, right?
Yeah.
Then?
Minus 1 over 2.
1 over minus 2, right? Correct. 1 over the differential. Then last C, right?
Yeah.
Oh? Hey, you cannot forget one. Come on. Then after cosine, how?
Cosine is minus sign.
I'm not talking to you. Okay? Now. Okay. Don't talk to him. When t is 0, s is 0. Agree, class? Yes or no? Because you start at the same point. Okay. So, how to get C? Don't always think C is 0, huh? Show your head. 0 equals to minus 100 E 0 plus C. So 0 equals to minus 100 plus C. What's my C? C is 100. Huh? Don't say everything 0. Huh? This is E file 0. Okay, so what's S? Negative 100 E minus 2T plus 100. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, what's the next step? 2 decimal places is displacement, right? When t is 3. So when t is 3, alright now. Okay, key calculator, don't look at me. What's the displacement?
99.75.
I don't want to talk to you, you just look at the textbook.
What?
2 decimal places. So 99.751 meters. Is that
99.752.
the question said give me the 2 decimal places?
Yeah, then you
So
mark
99.75. Is that clear? Yes or no? I say I'm not going to go through example 6, right? But I want to read through example 6. Okay. So that your brain at least can work until 12:40 that time, right? A particle traveling along a straight line passes the origin O with a speed of 8 meters per second. That means now when it's slow, the speed is 8 now. That means when t is 0, v is what? 8 now. Do you understand? Okay, now, next. The acceleration A of the particle t seconds after passing O is given by this rubbish down there. Okay, then calculate all the things down there, okay? We'll calculate this later. Can you please promise me that before, okay, later my lesson is from 12:40 to 1:40, am I right? May I know what is before 12:40?
Chinese.
Even more tired.
这个 test 哎
JJ 啊
Even more tired.
汤俊杰啊 Okay. CC, I don't call him Chun Che. I call him Jun Jie, JJ, okay? 不是林俊杰，他he's nowhere compared to. Don't you think Lin Jun Jie can sing very well? I like the songs. I only like the songs, that's it. Okay, but Lin Jun Jie, I think, okay, whatever. Okay, now what I'm talking about? Yes, okay. 11 o'clock, what do you have?
Recess.
Recess, right? The happiest time, right? So 11 to 11:40 is recess, lah. Darren, you go and wash your face, ah. I think better buy a bathtub. Okay? You wet your tissue. I think you should buy some wet tissue. Not the baby use one.
哎，我
Okay? The Johnson and Johnson one, good brand. Okay? Wash your eyes. Okay? Detox. So that your eyes will be sparkling when I come in. What nonsense is this? Everybody starts sleeping in my class. What loud? But I'm the 催眠曲 like that, you know? Lullaby, baby, on the tree top. Nonsense, ah! Coming only at displacement. This one, remember? Later, the saliva fall down, you know? Rubbish! Later, you keep your mouth shut right now. Later, 12:40, whoever there to sleep, right, you go and take a bath. Take a bath. I don't care if you towel, I'm going to take a bath. Let me tell you. Then your acceleration of running back must very fast one. After you bath, straight away must reach within 3 minutes also. Wow. I don't care. Okay, that's the time limit, that's it. Okay, stop the video. Rubbish. You better go and wash your face before you come to my lesson. I tell you, don't come and see my face. I want to go to the toilet. I will have a toilet face. Angry or not? Got to fill water to go to the toilet. Everybody want to go to the toilet when you see my face. Walao, it's like got one thing down there, go to the toilet like that. Rubbish, what, Angry,